My child, you have tried so many things to feel better. You've searched, prayed, cried, and waited. But today, I ask for only one thing: 30 seconds of your full attention. Not hours, not days, not years, just 30 seconds of complete surrender. In this sacred moment, if you truly open your heart, I will begin to heal you. I see what you've been facing. I have watched you struggle silently. I have seen your private pain that no one else knows. The heaviness in your chest, the weakness in your body, the confusion in your mind. I see it all. You pretend you're okay, but inside you feel like you're breaking. You're tired of appointments, of pills, of advice that doesn't help. You want to be healed, not just treated. I hear your question: will I ever feel whole again? And I say to you now, yes, but you must come to me. Why 30 seconds matter to me. Why do I ask for 30 seconds? Because in those 30 seconds, I want your full heart, not distracted, not doubting, not questioning, just 30 seconds of childlike trust. Because I am not a formula. I am not a pill. I am not a theory. I am your healer. I am your creator. I am your restorer. Do not underestimate what I can do in a moment. I spoke the universe into existence in an instant. I parted seas. I opened blind eyes. I raised the dead. And I can restore your body, mind, and spirit right now, if you give me 30 seconds. What I want from you, here's what I want you to do. Stop scrolling. Close your eyes for a moment. Breathe in slowly. Lace your hand over your heart. Whisper, Jesus, I give you these 30 seconds. Let that be your prayer. Let that be your surrender. And in that holy pause, let me do what only I can. I don't need you to beg. I don't need you to be perfect. I don't need you to have it all together. I just need your yes. I will cure you. Yes, you heard me. I will cure you because I still heal. I still do miracles. I still break chains. I still raise what looks dead and gone. Do not listen to the world that says healing is impossible. Do not believe the lie that says your condition is permanent. I am the God of breakthroughs. I can cure the disease in your body. I can cure the trauma in your soul. I can cure the torment in your mind. I can cure the depression that darkens your days. I can cure the pain that has stolen your joy. But it starts with surrender. Let me in, just for 30 seconds. What happens in those 30 seconds? In those 30 seconds, I am a seas will begin to pour my peace into your nervous system. I will calm the storm in your thoughts. I will whisper truth louder than your fear. I am will touch the place in your body that aches and bring it into alignment. I amping will release angels to war for your healing. You may feel warmth. You may feel tears. You may feel stillness. You may feel nothing at all. But trust me, something eternal is happening. Because every time you give me your heart, I move in power. Healing is my will for you. You have wondered, does God even want to heal me? Hear me clearly, child. Yes, I do. I am not glorified by your suffering. I am glorified by your healing. I am not distant from your pain. I am near to the brokenhearted. When I walked the earth, I never turned away a single person who came to me for healing. Not one. And I won't start with you. If you've waited a long time, I know it's been years for some of you. You've prayed, you've fasted, You've wept, and still you wait. Still you hurt. Still you wonder if I've forgotten. But I tell you today, this is a new moment. Don't let past disappointment close your heart now. You are one touch, one word, one 30-second surrender away from a breakthrough. I can heal in an instant what doctors haven't solved in decades. I can restore what you thought was ruined forever. Don't let doubt steal this moment. Doubt will try to interrupt these 30 seconds. Doubt will say, nothing's happening. Doubt will say, this is just emotion. Doubt will say, this isn't real. But I am more real than your pain, more present than your fear, more powerful than your diagnosis. Say this out loud. God, I believe you can heal me. Even if it's a whisper, even if it's shaky, say it and watch what I do. Receive by faith. Healing isn't earned. It's not a reward for being good. It's a gift, freely given. But it must be received by faith. So right now, open your hands. Say in your heart, I receive your healing, Lord. You don't have to feel worthy. You don't have to understand it all. Just believe that I am who I say I am, and I will do what I said I will do. I'm not just curing you, I'm restoring you. This is not just about fixing what's broken. This is about restoring what was lost. I will give you back your joy. I will renew your strength. I will restore your energy, your appetite, your hope, your purpose. Some of you think life passed you by, that your best days are gone. But I tell you, your best days are being written now. What I'm healing is not just your body. I'm healing your story. Prayer for your 30 seconds. Let me lead you now. Say this slowly, from your heart. Jesus, I give you these 30 seconds. I lay down my fear, my pain, my doubt. I believe you are my healer. I receive your healing power. Touch every part of me, body, mind, and soul. Let your spirit flow through me now. I receive your love. I receive your peace. I receive your healing. In your name, Jesus. Amen. Let the silence afterward be sacred. Let me move. Walk in healing. After these 30 seconds, don't go back to fear. Don't run back to worry. Walk in confidence. Even if you don't see it all yet, trust that I've started something. And what I start, I finish. Every healing begins with a word. You gave me your heart for 30 seconds. Now keep walking like you're already healed. Because in my eyes, you are. Tell others what I've done. When you feel the shift, when you notice the pain gone, when your sleep returns, when your joy rises, tell someone. Let others know what I've done. Healing is not just for you. It's a testimony for others. What I did for you, I will do for them. And it all starts with 30 seconds of surrender. I am still the healer. My child, hear me clearly. I am still Jehovah Rapha, the God who heals. I do not change. I do not forget. I do not delay without purpose. If you gave me your 30 seconds today, expect the impossible. Expect peace. Expect restoration. Expect healing. And if you didn't feel ready, come back. I'll be waiting. Even now, my arms are open. I am the cure you've been crying for. And I love you more than you will ever know.